You know, ours is a free education platform to help the needy students related to free education as well as to provide material to the students who are under poverty line. So, just we need your help to promote it. Watch, always subscribe the video. It is multi-tech education for you. A free platform for everybody for education, but material for the students below poverty line. We have just started. So, if you subscribe, push the bell, share it, it will be a great help to promote our this free education platform. At the moment, I am alone and pushing up the things, and we have so many contents, means whatever student want to learn, he can find in our videos like PCB designing, programming, coding, and lighting effects, LED effects, basic videos for basic knowledge. So let us start. So my dear friends, again we are here. So I have taken this file, board file, little bit behind to repeat some things again, as how to do, what to do. So we will repeat it again. We will select, see, from here we can remove the layers what these components are showing. You might have been looking this white color, white capacitor round, white around this diode, white around this pin. So we will select only a few layers from here, text layer, and from the top we will left one layer, and below 3 layers we will select. So see it very carefully. So what will happen, see, all those have gone, those white marks, everything is clear, means no diode mark. Whatever your PCB will come will have this routing. The actual PCB, it will be written there, where is C1, where is resistance, where is LED, and just components we need to put there only. Now to make the printout is also, it is good. So export it or print it direct from here. The exact size will come, whatever size we are designing of the PCB. So I think for the time being no need to print it out. You just click OK and the print will be there. So that we can do afterwards. We will go to our main subject. Now, after the last tutorial, I made little modification in this circuit. Only little bit. Just I write the name at the top, Multi-Tech Education for you. Before it was at the bottom. So on desktop you can save from the file. Give any name, full wave rectifier, the board file, and we can save it on our desktop. And afterwards what we can do, we can select it from there, copy and paste in our Word file. So this need to be selected. Okay, now it has gone to your desktop of the computer. We'll see it. You see here it has come, and this is what we need if you want to make it at home with ferric chloride or HCl. You can make it with this. Come into the office, just copy paste it. The same size will come in the Microsoft Office. Word file, just paste it. No need to change any size. It is due to the grid which we selected 0.635 on the top. So the perfect size will come. Now you can copy paste, you can make 6 PCBs at home. There is a method to make it so with HCl, with ferric chloride. Buy the copper plate, copper PCB, dip it in that, so it will remove the copper what we don't need. So there is a way, there are videos on that also. Because I believe in to send Gerber file and get it manufactured from the manufacturers. It doesn't cost too much. So you can save it and you can make print out of it if you want to make it at home as a practice, you can say. I did it before, but I prefer to make order to the manufacturer. So it is being saved. So again we will come here. So this was for the printout if you want to make it at home. So again we will proceed with it. The same repetition we will do little bit what we did in our last video. Oh gentlemen, this board file is ready and we can send it also, or we can send it duly copper filled. We selected the polygon in the last video and fill it with the red net with the copper, and layer you have selected from the left side, second symbol, the 3 layers. We remove those white color marks of the components to make a PCB. So now you need to make practice, and we will move to the 3D model also, Gerber file also, panelizing also in this video. A lot to do and time is less. I don't want to make so long videos so that you should feel bored. So save it and then we will see what to do. So we will select all this copper polygon. From polygon we will make the border. Again we will fill the copper for the manufacturing order to make the Gerber file. This click, second click, then will come third click to the left. We will select this line of our PCB, move to top, and you will see how it appears like this. So now the copper filling will be done in it just by selecting red net. Again I am repeating in this video, just select red net and copper will be filled in it just by clicking it. See, it has come. Now there are some remaining parts where the copper is not filled. For that what we will do, we will click the border line of this PCB, right click, and we will select the ground. From here click it and just come here, name, put here ground, GND only. Okay, you will see the remaining portion will be filled up, whatever was remaining there, and so many circuit has vanished the ground routers, they mix up in this copper filling. So more clear now your PCB. The ground wire, it is vanished, it is mixed in this copper filling. And I make these holes also, I want to make, fix it. So name again ground, see like this we did, we select this border, we put ground, and now again we will come in the properties and we will select the overlay, so that remaining portion here we will select it and we will make OK. So remaining portion will be filled up. See, little bit whatever was remaining, now it is quite finished PCB we have. So this is the final. Now save it, and we can see the 3D also. We can select the color also PCB. So after saving it, we will move ahead. We will see. Now panelizing, we will make 4 PCBs of it. Here in Eagle it is automatic. Just evaluate. Automatically it will fix up in our Gerber file that how many PCBs will come. In easy EDA it is visible that how many PCBs are coming. But here just you panelize, automatically it will go in Gerber file. That in one PCB you will get 4 PCBs. Now I will come to CAM processor. If you want to make Gerber file, so we will do it afterwards. First I will like to see whatever next we have to do. The model will be like this, 3D. It was the previous one which I made. It will look like this. It is in photos only. But here in Eagle, to see this 3D model, we need to go to some other site also. CAM processor. Will come in the layers. Okay, we will select top layer not. There is one for text below, so we select 5 layers. Just I am checking it, it's okay. Dimensions we can select. So rest no need to select. First what you do, click on none, all the layers will go. Then select these layers one by one. Bottom, pads, this dimension, so like that apply it. Okay, so it's okay now. Now I will go to CAM processor. Process Gerber file. You can select it, the Gerber file you can make it like this. Setup, job, this, that, the Gerber name is coming there. This we need to select from the bottom. Okay. So enlarge it and just see what I have selected it. So we will get the Gerber file on our desktop. We will click on the processing job. Nothing to change, but just select that device, the Gerber file, the board, job. First select job. You see, this is very important. You have to select the job. Now from here you select the same file which we write there on that screen. Correct? This is little typical. You have to be very attentive to learn it. So we selected the same file which was before there. So now we can start the same file, and we will have components from the top. So there will be 6 files in this Gerber file. You might have looking at the top: solder site, silk site, soldering, like this and that. So nothing we need not to do. We have selected all these things, and now we will proceed for the processing job. See, solder, this, all will come in that Gerber file. What we need to do is just process job. You have selected before the job. So it is processing. Make it okay. Now exit. We will go to our desktop or in the Eagle folder. We will find this Gerber file. Now this layer, different layer, if you want to select, so it will the same, only process job. Make it 6 times. Finish. Then select next one. Again okay, processing job. So select all these layers. You will get 6 layers and one Gerber file. So one by one you proceed ahead, and now I think it is complete. Everyone is coming double. So it's okay. One was left. Let us see. Now we will go to the Eagle folder. Everything is being saved there. It is being saved in our Eagle folder. Sometime it is in the documents, sometime it is in the window. So that you need to check where is your Eagle folder, in documents or in window. And there we can find this Gerber file. So this type of model afterwards we will come. Now we will see where is our Gerber file saved. We'll check Windows, the Eagle folder, and here I think we will find it. Eagle, this Gerber, yeah, it is Gerber file is there. No, but it should come in a zip file to send to any manufacturer. This is the Eagle. We have saved it so. So we will move to the other files, the folder which we need to change. Gerber viewer, 3D bird, you have to select this 3D bird board viewer download. So when we will download here, they are the manufacturer. So if we will download that here, the actual Gerber file we will receive. Otherwise it will appear in the Eagle format. So format we need to change. So we have to come here and we will drag our board here. Only board file we will drag here. So you will get the Gerber file. You see, choose a file or drag it here. So hope I will give the link of this board in my description, or you check it. Use this board. This company is in England. They are manufacturer. They are giving this facility to make the Gerber file properly in the zip format. So we will select our board file only from here. We will drag that board file from here. We saved from the processing job. Here is the board file. We will drag it there. Check the board file. So it is here only. So let us take it there, this board file. You know, this we saved from the processing job, and we will drag it to there. So this is little complicated way to get the Gerber file. We have to come here, and I will drag this board file to here. Full wave rectifier. We saved our board file now, so I drag that board file only. You see, now it will come here. It is reading the file, extracting Gerbers from the board file, creating top image, and 3D model will be visible here. After completing everything, they will hope we will buy from them. It is not necessary. Gerber file, we got it. We can get it manufactured from anywhere. Compressing 3D images. So 3D model, we get it from this site. In Easy EDA it is direct. You see 3D, we'll select. For the larger view, click it. So this type of PCB we will get it from the manufacturer. See below there is a 3D. There are 3 views, top, bottom and the 3D. This is the 3D view. You can save it on your desktop from here. So this site you have to remember or note down it somewhere. Now send it to the target. Means you can take it anywhere. Just right click, save it on your desktop. Save image as this, save, it will come to your desktop. So that site description, if I will remember, I will put it in the description of this video, so that it will be easy. You will go direct to that site and take your board file in this site, and it will do rest of the things. So you can download it, you can do it anything. 3D, PDF, step file, rectifier, full wave, it's coming. So this is the way to get the 3D model. This is UK beta layout. So I will give this description in this link for that file. So my dear friends, I hope this is the last part is little bit complicated. You have to pay more attention, make practice. Send me your comment if you want to ask anything. As much as I can tell, I'll give you description also, this link of this file. So hope you might have learned a lot, and now make a practice. And if something new I will find, I will come again and see you my next video. We will meet with some other videos also. Okay, bye.